In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Text correction options contain a lot of helpful features like spell check or block offensive words. The only problem is they are really difficult to find, so if you want to locate them on this OPPO, just stay with me. Go into settings first and scroll all the way down. Now tap on this option called System and Update. Click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction over here and manage all of those options however you want to. Quick tip if you want to locate and access text correction options much faster in the future, swipe up and make sure this switcher is blue next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it. Then launch your keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction settings in few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!